I'm going to show you the best deal for Kirkland signature from Costco. Now, all you have to do is go to their website, costco.com/kirkland-signature.html. And you just have to click on this button here to shop all Kirkland signature here. Now, here's the fun part. If you want a great deal, so if you want something cheap, you can see if I scroll down here and I go to the prices section here, we can actually limit what kind of things we want to buy, right? So for example, if I want a deal for only $25 and no more than that and no less than that, I can click on this check mark here to limit it from $0 to $25, right? So I won't have to look for anything that's more expensive than that. So for example, if my budget is very limited, I can use this option here to actually limit what I find here and get better deals by doing that way, right? Now you can see with this filter on, you can see the more I scroll, the more products will come up. You can see there's like FSA eligible item. Here's a Kirkland signature ultra clean free and clear HE liquid laundry detergent. A lot, right? There's even food here, a lot of detergent, flushable wipes, jeans, batteries. It seems like they sell all sorts of stuff here. And you can see the more I scroll, the more things I'll find. And of course, all of it is limited to at max $25. So you can be sure that you're getting a pretty good deal with this. There's even quinoa, nut bars, a lot of food, clothes. I'm pretty sure this guy sell everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.